Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start on the roof immediately after securing fall protection and confirming framing. Cut tile or shingles along the marked centerline where the pipe exits. Use a drill to pilot through decking first so you don't splinter. Once the pilot hole is clean, enlarge with a reciprocating saw to the pipe diameter plus about 1/2 inch for flashing clearance. Make sure to preserve surrounding roofing material and keep debris contained, so you can inspect the whole edges for rot. You position the vent pipe and slide the flashing down so its upper flange tucks under the higher row shingles. This directs water over the flash rather than under it. Fasten the pipe to the roof, framing with brackets or strap clamps inside the attic so it won't shift, then nail the flashing to the deck at clipped slots only. Avoid nailing through the top edge. Once fastened, seal all exposed nail heads and the flashing perimeter with compatible roofing sealant to maintain watertight integrity. You finish by replacing roofing material around the flashing and installing counterflashing if the roof is tile or metal. Match fastener spacing to existing rows. Once completed, inspect the attic ceiling for any daylight or moisture and run a controlled water test around the flashing to confirm seal. If you find a leak, don't panic. Reseat the flashing edge under the shingle, tighten or replace corroded fasteners, and add sealant at any visible gaps. This is usually the definitive fix for persistent leaks.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.